Okay guys, I got my boxes. Finally, it took forever. We'll just do the BoxyCharm box first. I got the BoxyCharm box a little late. I think I got it like Monday, and then Friday the Ipsy came. So I just wanted to do this video together, yeah. And for everybody who does not know, BoxyCharm is a subscription box. Y'all know, don't you? $21 a month. Except for, I think it's every 3 months, you get the Luxe box, which will be coming next month. I can't wait to get that one. And Ipsy, this is the Ipsy Glam box, is $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products in here, all full size. Same for Boxy, all full size. So, yeah, let's start with the Boxy box, y'all. Today is just a gloomy looking Sunday. I'm going to try to get this up tonight. And looks like it's gonna rain, but then not really. Today Ulta's giving 350 points if you pick up the Game of Thrones palette. I'm really thinking about it because y'all, I binge watched all the seasons and all the episodes of Game of Thrones the last 2 weeks. So I'm thinking today is the last one, so I'm waiting for that, and it's got me on the bus wanting to buy that. Anyway, let's get into this box. First thing I see here is the little card. It says Make Waves. That's the theme for the month of May. I got the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Cleansing Conditioner. Gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioner gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skins and dissolves makeup. Okay. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubble up for a deep cleanse. Okay, I really wanted this. Yeah, I saw the sneak peeks and I really wanted this because Glam Glow products, y'all, are expensive as all get out. Why am I trying to? Ooh, look at that. Wow, okay, it is bubbly. But it's just a white cream. I don't know if y'all can see that coming out. It's just white cream. I'll be putting this in rotation with my cleansers. I use the Tata Hopper cleanser at night, and let me tell you, I do like it. I guess I need to recap some of that stuff that I ordered in my Sephora haul. But the Tata Hopper, I use it at night, and I really like it. Anyway, let's move on. I got a... Oh, how much was that? That was $28. This is $28 for the cleanser. Alamore, what? That's not what this is. Oh, there's an Alamore colored blush trio. So I did get the blush. Oh, them bubbles still floating around. Look at that. That's too funny. But yeah, this is the palette. It's real small. Really small. Looks big, but it's really small. Though, ooh, I got the right shades. I am happy with that. Y'all know I gotta get a brush and put a little bit on. I don't really have on makeup, lashes, anything today. This was not one of those days. I just didn't feel like it. Grandkids, I had 2 of them here for a week, and they left Saturday morning. So I'm just getting back in order. I gotta get my house back clean. But yeah, these are some really nice shades. I'm just in a talkative mood, y'all. Can y'all see that? Let me swatch them. We got, what else do we get? Oh, these are some really nice colors. Really pigmented, too. We got the Alamore Cosmetics palette in a box, too. It's in there somewhere. And I like it. I don't use it like they have so many palettes, but it's a good palette. Now, this I don't need. This is some, how much was that? Let me back up. The Alamore blush palette was $22. And this is some Pure Cosmetic lash curlers. I don't really use lash curlers. I used to use them, and I finally figured out I don't need them. My lashes curl on their own. I need them to straighten out. So this just increases the curl. But yeah, it's a pretty sturdy lash curler. It's from Pure. But yeah, I don't use those. The next thing I see in here is a Violet Voss liquid lipstick. Wait, how much was the lash curls, y'all? I'm just everywhere. The pure lash colors were $18. I might play with them at $18. But my lashes too curly. I don't even have no lashes today and they all curled up. Tried to straighten them out with the mascara, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, Violet Voss liquid lipstick is $12. Long-lasting liquid lipstick applies smoothly and dries quickly. Let's see what this is. Minx. That's funny. That is so funny. I took that foundation back too. That's one thing out of that haul. That Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in Minx, because a lot of people are telling me that it's at one of those stores, Ross, TJ Maxx, one of the little stores, on sale, and I paid $25 for that. So I really took it back and got me one of those Kajol shadows. I really want to try those. They were like $16, and that foundation was $25. So yeah. Anyway, this is what the shade looks like. $12. I didn't know Violet Voss made lipsticks. And this Minx. What is this mess? Ooh. I don't know what shade this is. I'm gonna try it. I guess it'll be, only thing I had on was lip gloss. And looks like it just made my lips more shiny. That's not good. But it don't look bad on, That's just on top of a gloss. Okay, maybe that'll work. And again, this was $12. The next thing I have in here is Eye Luster Cream Shadow from Ciate London. And this looks like one of those kind of like Still a Stay All Day shadows. Oh, that's a pretty color. What shade is this? This is in, let's see. Ooh, Cupid. Let me wipe some of these swatches off so we can swatch this. Oh, that's like a green gold. It's a shifty like. Can you see it? That's pretty. This shifts pink. Turn it one way, you get a little green, a little gold. Okay, I'll play with this. I will play with this. And it's really thin and it spreads out real. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. Okay, yeah, I will play. Let me see. Yeah, I know I had to do too much. I had to do too much. Don't even have any makeup, but I'm going to be gluing on my eyes. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Okay, Ciate London. Y'all see that? And all I did was just pat a little bit on. Yeah, I like that. This will definitely be in my good box. Oh, and that's it. That is it. So I got the Glam Glow. I really like the Ciate London. I like the blush palette. The only two things, main thing I really, just because I don't need it, is the lash curler. That's it. But this Minx, it don't look as bad as I thought it would. It's, on top of a gloss, it's a go. Somebody out there, y'all. That's why I'm looking and being nosy. But yeah, I got this box, $21, and that was over $100 worth of products. Now let's check out the Ipsy box. It's $25 a month. Let's see what we got in here this month. This is what we looking like. And this says Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Your dreams are your realities in waiting. Okay. Let's see. Tokyo Milk Margot Elena. Tokyo Milk. Oh, it's another gloss. Tokyo Milk. Lip gloss. I haven't heard of this company. It says it's $21. And this just looks like a nude. See, it's kind of pinky. Looks like it's just going to be a nude. I don't have a makeup wipe. You know what? I'm just going to use this. It's got to go in a wash. Anyway, wipe that off. See what this looks like. Oh yeah, it's just a real nude. hydrating gloss. This going in my purse. I like this Tokyo Milk. It says it's $21. Okay. It's just a lip gloss. It doesn't say much. Luminous Lips. Bring your lips to life with moisture, rich radiance, dewy pout meets radiant shimmer for an out-of-this-world luster. It's really shiny. It's really shiny. That's going in my purse. The next thing we have in here is by Wonder Beauty. It says it's $25. The Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see what this looks like. If I can get it open. That's the outside of the palette. And on the inside, ooh, now those are some shimmery shades. We're going to have to swatch them. $25. Wonder Beauty is really stepping up. We have gotten a few of those mascaras by Wonder. So yeah, let's see what these look like. It's real creamy consistency. These are the first 3 top shades right here. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's check out the 3 bottom shades. This blue, a gold. Oh, these shadows are so soft. That's what they look like there. And I'm going to try, I guess I'll move this up. And that's what they look like. Really pigmented. Let me move on. A Illamasqua mascara. This mascara says it's $25. I'm not going to open it, y'all, because I have so many mascaras open. We got 3 Glam Glow Bubble Masks. These masks are $27 for 3. And these are the charcoal bubble masks, deep cleansing masks. We'll be using these. And the last thing I see in this box is by Girard, a Retinol Youth Eye Serum. And we all know Girard is high-end and inexpensive. So this $25 box paid for itself too. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed Sunday. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.